Kwame, me say I mean one gamer on any day can you bia but we Kotoko bomb matches to Kwame. Any injuries are okay, but to me the
injuries ni coach na kanyam na make
oh so that's say so sad be room
o want to coach ni nsem na o
me say me ba
o coach na kanyam na make
oh
Karim Zito na eka
mate ba Kwame
and I want
me say coach Karim Zito there no.
Well, at the moment I have about 10 players that can never play this game, and I don't know when they will come to play. Like Kotoko, the ACL, and then you look at in team Shaibu, Minta, Walid, Entry, Set, Saka, Ensu, and with Kamara who are going for national duty. So all these boys I mentioned, the players I mentioned, will never be on the field tomorrow. So we are even left with 18 players. Even the small boy Amisa is also having growing issues. So these are, but at the end of the day, the rest we have to manage and then use the rest to achieve the objective.
Indeed, I know you're there.
So come utie de coach Karim Zito kaya na say ne ho akere no nyesa
sure
ba kwame say na me busa no hwa this is Kotoko asani enough ana
I'm signing now but
say players oboboy say na film na akase
injuries are
because me show Kotoko signing about and say
na no say last game Kotoko boy no and a normal we now say 23 with the same players but na omo 19 omo ne omo bo ni 19
and as I say or
more now injured
Kwame, you see that's why I was say I mean on junior teams now Kwame and you say yenye setup no say very important so
sure
very important because ebasa ya ubenya ebidia be support to amna yi it build this I mean junior teams no ni Kwame ye ni year ye benya I mean enough player benya quality players Kwame at least ubetimi apushi omo dia beka when okwa ahunye hia a Barcelona ye bi amana gel ye hu wa cramp pra ne omo kan Kwame wa kensusu ye bi uhwe omo team na young team Kwame omo nyina anya I mean junior side na omo dia push omo dia be ruam Kwame. So I believe that it's hard time was here clubs no omo hwe from that angle no omo ye ni ye se de be ya ni ahunye hia mu ba anada ahun chere ba no Kwame ubeluku wo horom na wa ma guys ni bi aba be support. But you see all said and done, me giri say I mean Coach Karim Zito ewo I mean all right by saying that because already number now all Canada Kwame it means say Kotoko I mean a short players let me put it that way number now can about 18 players aka but Kwame apart from that I still believe that Kotoko was quite in depth or they can still compete ewo China. Yes players are Coach Karim Zito boy you know. Any players are coming as we speak or move away. Kwame on any day, me did say I mean Walida coach Bondia we prano. Baba Yaya is back. And the performance on the Sunday no. Kwame, you in fact personally I enjoyed him. As one prank come ayo. We had Baba have a boss Sunday na. Be beyond just our branch free engine abo. After saying you tell do free more buying Kwame. Game no sign entirely. The performance of Badana didn't come. I loved watching him on Sunday. No, Baba Yaya, be beyond Chesu Opera. So if Walid is absent, Kwame, Baba Yaya is there. He can deliver. He can do it.
Okay.
Now, a year Abrantia, your friend said Kojo. Anna, I think you're on the swing ho. Yes, sir. Anna, why you defenders? Ansu or Bansu Din. But I'm sure Ablo is there.
Yeah, Ablo is there. Samba is there.
Zakaria Fuseni
is also there.
So Kwame, without I mean a branch your friend no Ansu BBNC or fullbacks Kwame they are there. Or midfield Kwame Adabo is there and Amidu Akwa is there, Saka is there, Morfin Dozo is there, Kwame Poku is back.
BBNC.
So BBNC Kotoko still a more men armed with their competing. So if numbers now and I drop it, I become 18 players. I understand him from that perspective. But in terms of squad index, in terms of squad rate, Kwame BBNC, Kotoko is still having the manner on any day they can compete with anything. Ghana has it with these players on market.
Okay.
They can still compete.
Yes,
we need pressure behind me, coach, but I still feel say Kotoko the manner team a omo be hia ni Koroko omo betimi Koroko betimi ahye no amena ye
young apostle.
Oh yes Koroko and Koroko be win
simple za
anya simple but Kwame Koroko be win anya simple Koroko be win match no you see the be hard we fatigue Kwame boys
be hard you
oh yes no fatigue be hard we Sunday match so hwe omo ni aduana na omo start game no so hwe game ni dia you could see na Koroko struggle ye irrespective of say bia na I mean I know maybe nkoyi on fifi after so change it no but you could see Koroko was struggling Kwame unless one person be kind of correct fatigue ni there we dey beba but me gidi say nay I mean they know what is at stake so Kwame there now be the obey and say obe cycle ho na Kwame wako game yes it's difficult but I still feel say Koroko I mean Kwame oda wo china no baby a moment e do no draw na Koroko ball na lose sa 2 points no e ofi no Kwame e wo so omunya him da wo china sa draw na Koroko ball no Sunday no e wo said da wo china omunya free and I believe so omunim na mpan so omo be ya anya sa Koroko foni ai e wo so omunya no da wo china e wo so omunya because baby adu no eni kwa say you drop points especially ubo home matches no Kwame home matches in there are very important eni kwa so lose enu ne ma wo yehu obi e ba ho a away matches no Kwame ubetimi akọ na wo takashi bi afam enya draw bi o baby ne a wo so wo be hye so Kwame no wa hye no but home there Kwame home there home matches in there at least anye bia no e wo so try na pick points ni nyina home matches in there also trying to pick points in here. So I just believe say I mean it's high time for Koroko players who prepare but I mean players from where the Koroko I still feel that I mean they still have the manner on any day they can compete. So I mean a difficult game though but Kwame me just say Koroko the men now they can still beat I mean young apostle to get the 3 maximum points.
Okay. Adakra.
Eugene.
I mean
Eugene kakra